Arun from Habitat for Humanity International. We are based out of IIT Research Park. We are a global NGO, one of the biggest NGOs in the world. So we build home for the homeless, and we consult with a lot of industry players within the housing. About Starshield, we have just been through all the product portfolio, and it's really interesting. And most of the products are energy efficient, so and with a lot of ratings as well. So we highly recommend these products for consumers. I like the heat reflective coating because the functionality is really good, and it also promises quite a heavy durability, which is interesting compared to the other players in the industry where the product wears off in 3 years. They are saying that the product would withstand for almost like 5 years. So that's something an interesting question for homeowners. I think we would like to have a discussion, further discussions, and also see how we can work with them and ensure that the product adoption reaches far.